We are here in Rome, Italy, in front of the Colosseum. It's 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 Celsius, but still plenty of people out and about. We're gonna walk around the city. I'll show you some of the highlights. Let's go. Another view of the Colosseum from the other side. See that person over there taking a picture? Look the size. This place is quite big for an ancient structure. Colosseum over there. Roman Forum over here. They have some mist because it's so hot outside. Some more structures. And a cool thing, in case you don't know, you can actually drink the water here. A bunch of free water fountains. Another nice sculpture. Plenty of these guys in the city. See the detail. One thing I found kind of funny though is check out this guy's head. He has bird poop all over his head. Time to get some food. I got pasta with meatballs and blueberry juice. Time for lunch. This is the river. Look how big a drop this is though. Pretty crazy. Sunset should be happening soon enough. A lot of bars over here. A cool looking statue. The Sith Lord from Star Wars, maybe? Check out the obelisk and this water fountain. Check out the church under construction over here. And the square, plenty of restaurants and bars. Nice lights. Over here we have the Pantheon, the legendary structure, another town square, beautiful cobblestone streets and lights, another obelisk fountain. Got quite a few of these over here. Very lively indeed. And this is Trevi Fountain. Look how big this thing is, guys. That's crazy. There's a whole bunch of people here. It's completely busy because it's so cool looking. One more angle of the fountain just because it looks so cool. Well, here is the Spanish Steps. They have some sort of event going on, so they ruined the view. But here it is nevertheless. And there's the church. See you guys at the top. And here we are at the top. Spanish Steps beginning. Nice view. And from behind, we have that obelisk with the church. From this angle, at the top of the Spanish Steps, you also have a nice view of St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. Somehow I keep finding myself in these situations. I'm not even expecting it. I keep finding parties and stuff like this. obelisk. This is what I was gonna go to see. And there's a party going on. I keep finding these random events all over Italy. I came to see the obelisk and I found a party. You can't make this stuff up, guys. Welcome to Italy, I guess. I don't know what building this is, but here we have an obelisk facing some clock tower. Almost had an accident over there. Clock towers, almost midnight. I gotta get back to the hotel. And we're back at this structure during the morning hours. The sun is right behind it. It's pretty cool. And now we're gonna check out this church. Let's go. Check this out. I'm gonna try it now. Now we're at the back of the church. This is how it looks like. You can tell it's really big. And over here we have yet another obelisk. Now this truly is a massive church. Just check out the details. I find that really nice. Now the question is, can I go inside? Picked up some snacks on the way to my next destination at some Asian grocery store. Let's keep on walking. I'm gonna go on a little rant over here. So look, it's in English, right? Something's in English. But then when you look at the ingredients, it's not in English. And there's a bunch of languages. Hungarian, Polish, Korean, Spanish, Italian, German, French, Dutch. But not English? Like, what is going on over here? Breakfast. I got myself octopus in a bread and stewed beef on pizza bread. Bon appetit. Colosseum in the background over there. And in front of us we have the Roman Forum. Check out the view over here, guys. You have a cool cathedral in this angle. But what about over here? Look at that building. Look at all those sculptures. That looks pretty incredible. Another angle of the building and the incredible sculptures. Another water fountain. Rome loves their water fountains. Check out this structure. St. Peter's Basilica and an obelisk. This is one nice looking structure over here. I wonder if I can get to the dome. And here we are. Vatican City. Its own country. Giant obelisk as always. Beautiful St. Peter's Basilica. Gotta find where the entrance is. I think it's over there. Check this place out, ladies and gentlemen. And here we are. St. Peter's Basilica. That's the ceiling. Let's go inside the church now. Go through the doors. And this place is going to be impossible to show one setting. This is the ceiling. This is the massive church. Look at that. One side over here. The other side over here. I'm going to take my time walking all around this place. There's a dragon over there. Check out this statue here. That looks pretty nice. Also a dragon también. Check out the ceiling over here. And this giant marble statue. I love the marble statues here. Check out the ceiling over here as well. There's a lot of noise coming from the back. Hopefully you guys are not gonna get deaf. And this over here, I don't really know what this is supposed to be, but looks pretty cool. Look at this structure. Spirals. Mysterious. This is the halfway mark of the church. I guess I should have gotten this view before, but here we go. Really intricate ceiling. Going once, going twice. Going down, we have this. Check that out. There's the very center, the altar. We still got all this to explore. The other half. Once again, nice design. Altar over here. Over here we have some cool looking painting. And from over here we have a car coming through. Blooper, guys, look at the blooper. Anyways, this is a cool looking marble statue, but what really fascinates me is the skeleton holding an hourglass. Mysterious. Continuing. Ooh, a bell. And let's go somewhere else. I made it to 9 o'clock mass, everybody. Look at the ceiling here. If you want to go to mass, not a bad idea. It looks like the three wise men and Jesus. And on this side, we have a really nice painting. Check this one out. Church view. St. Peter's Basilica from the top. And the beautiful dome piece. Made it to the top of the dome. Here we are, St. Peter's Basilica. Nice view, excellent breeze. Let me try to show some highlights. There's one nice view. Another nice view over here. Another angle, pretty nice. See some sort of building over here. You see the mountains in the background as well. And probably the best view, the Vatican right over here. And of course the mountains in the background, looks really nice. Now we're gonna check out the Vatican Museum. I don't know, man. The Vatican Museum is pretty boring. I like the St. Peter's Basilica, but I'm gonna check out the Sistine Chapel. They said you can't take any photos though. So yeah, I don't know. Do what you will. I don't really recommend coming to Vatican City though. But hey, if you have nothing to do, check it out. This one's pretty cool. They call it the Nile. A giant hallway with arts and a bunch of things on the side like so, a bunch of maps. Cool looking ceiling. It's gonna be hard to get all of it on video, but at least you see more or less how this looks like. Yeah, all these maps, parts of the world. Probably you can't see that well with the sun over there. Oopsie. But yeah, completely just covered in art. Beautiful. All covered completely. And the last stretch of this hall, the last pieces of art on the ceiling, is what we got. Check it out, guys. Look at the beautiful sky. The crescent moon over there.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
Crescent moon. Plenty of sparrows flying in the sky as well. And the city of Rome right in front of us, sunset. And all the way in the distance, what do we have over here? St. Peter's Basilica. Picture perfect view. Welcome to Rome, everybody.